In this video, we will be making a program that asks for a user's name and then prints out hello, comma, the user's name. Let's get started. All right. Also, this is part of a series of me completing the CS50 course. So we already have this hello world. All right. So it says that we want to create a folder called me. So this one was world. All right. So we want to, all right. So I did ls because I wanted to make sure I was in the root directory, which it says I am, but I just wanted to be clear. So I am going to make dir. So mkdir is going to make a directory for me, and I'm going to call it me. All right. And then a hello C in that. So then we'll cd, which means change directory, into me. And then we will, I think for this, we use code. Let me look. Code hello.c. I've always used touch, but code hello.c. All right, so now we have a hello.c inside of me. All right. Next. So here is what we want to do then. We want to make a prompt for what is your name and then say the name. So I'm going to go to the hint here because there's actually a hint that we can use get string from cs50.h. So let's go and remind ourselves how we import. Okay, so importing is the little hashtag or pound sign and then saying include and then what we want to include. So the first thing that we want to do is the standard input output standard io.h. All right, and then the next thing we want to include is going to be cs50.h. So I'm going to do it like this and hope that cs50.h. That's how you do everything. Okay. And then the next thing we need to do is make our main function. So, I want to say func. Nope. Okay, so you say what you return. So sure, we'll return an int. And then main. And then I do that, I think. And then this. And I remember them being on a different line. Yes, okay. So we eventually want to print the name, but we need to get the name first. So I'm not going to worry about printf quite yet. So we want to get the name, which we can use with get string. So let's go ahead and call get string. And we're going to say that this returns name. C call function that returns something. I know nothing about C syntax, so let me make sure. Okay, so this add, okay, so sum equals, okay, so I just name equals, that should be good. And then we should be able to do printf, is that what it is? Yes. And then we're gonna do, what does it want us to do? It wants us to say hello, comma, name. Hello, comma, and then plus name. And then we want to return an int. So we'll just return 0. And then I believe that we need semicolons after all statements. So this is a statement, this is a statement, and this is a statement. Now, would it be fun if this automatically worked? It sure would. So let's see. So then we want to do make hello. Okay, wait. Air use of undeclared identifier name. All right, so let's Google this then. Oops. So air use of undeclared, and we're going to say C. I think we just need to declare the variable first. Int total 0. Return character. Oh, we have to say what it is, right? So that is a string. So what is a string in? So we're going to say declare string in C. All right. A string is an array of characters. Okay, so we'll just use an array of characters. Declaration. See, I don't want to do it like that though. So is that the only ways? Is it as an array of strings? Okay. So char name. Okay, so we got char name. And then do I need to do the brackets? Let's try it. Expanded from macro get string. Define get string. Recall that from a user with get string, which is declared in C50.h. See, I included it here. So how do I say that that's from there? I definitely don't want to cheat, but how do I? Let me go look at if they have the like notes from the lecture. It's been a while since I watched the lecture. Let's go with a PDF of the slides. All right, so yeah, we got that. All right. Include, okay. Input. So get string is on there. Ask what is your name and wait. Okay. What is your name? Ask and wait answer. So get underscore string, is that what we have? Get underscore string, yeah. Oh, and we need to pass in what is your name. That makes sense. We can't just assume. And that, oops. What is your name? Let's clear that and try again. Name. And then, you know what? The lecture will probably go answer. Okay, so look, it's, yeah. That was silly. Okay, so it looks like we can just do string like that. Let's try that. All right, looks like we cannot add those together. So we need to use the, what's it called? The printf. So yeah, printf, hello, and then that. Okay, so hello, and then percentage sign of that, and then we should be able to do, I think that, let's go look. Answer. All right, let's try that. Looks like they made a new line. Ooh, make hello worked. Okay, and so then dot slash hello. What is your name? Callie. Hello, Callie. Okay, so then we want to do, add our new line in, and then here I think I want to add a space, and then let's go ahead and what is your name? Callie. Hello, Callie. Oh, we didn't run make, so let's do make hello. looks like I logged out between the last time and this time. All right, so oops, I did .n. All right, so let's do make hello. No, oh, we got a cd into me, change directories into me, and make hello to build the machine code, and then we need to run it by doing /hello. What is your name with the space? Good, Callie, and then hello, Callie. All right, perfect. Is that how it wanted us to do it? Problem set 1. Hello, it's me. Okay, so let's copy this now so we can check our work. All right. So it's running the test suite on here. Perfect. And we passed all of the tests. All right, then we want to run our style 50 hello.c. I'm going to type this one out to practice. Style 50 hello.c. Ooh, okay, so it wants us to put CS50 above. I'm not really sure why on this one, but I can do it. Oops. Apply changes. Okay. And then let's run this again. All right, perfect. So now we have our program, which says hello to whatever the name that is typed in our prompt. We made a lot of mistakes in the beginning, mostly due to not knowing the syntax of C, but as always, it's good to check the lecture notes and do some Googling. Thanks for watching.